Hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna learn how to calculate the area of this triangle. Given the side length 7, 4, and the angle 31 right here. Now, keep in mind, if the angle between two sides given, and then everything should be easy, you just apply the formula right here, right? This go as area formula, right? This side, angle, and side. But unfortunately, the angle is not given. We cannot apply this formula. What we need to do is to find the measure of this angle right here. In this video, I'm going to show you two different methods to solve this triangle. Alright, so before I'm going to calculate the area of this triangle. Let's prove these two formula first. Okay. Now, the first one, I need to prove this one. I just draw the altitude, right? I call the side line of altitude right here. It could be h, little h. Now keep in mind, see the measure of angle C right here. Opposite to the vertex C should be little c. Little c represent the side length AB. Right? Similar, little b right here represent the side length AC because it's opposite to angle B. Little a represent BC. Alright? Now, we normally use this formula to calculate the area of the triangle ABC, which is 1/2 base times height, right? Right. In this situation, base which means A. So 1/2 A times height which means AM. So I put height right here. The right triangle AMC. AMC. Alright. I use the trigonometry ratio in the right triangle AMC. If you don't know how to use this trig ratio in this right triangle, please check out the previous video. I will leave a link in the description to help you memorize the formula. Okay, so I have side C. Side equal opposite over hypotenuse, right? Now opposite, look at C right here. I draw the arrow opposite to angle C should be h, little h. Hypotenuse in this situation opposite to the right angle right here should be B. Alright, now I need to solve for h. So my h equal B times side C. Right. Now I print this guy and I substitute over here. So I have what? 1/2 A times h, but h equal B side C, so I just put B side C right here. Alright, I just prove the first formula right here. Alright, the other two formula right here, you do similar. Right, you just draw another two altitudes and you do the same process. Okay, alright, let's prove the law of sine right here. Alright, so I'm gonna pick the first two right here. Look, because they are equal, right? So I have 1/2 A B sine C equal 1/2 A C sine B. Alright, both sides have 1/2. I cancel out. I have A right here, cancel out. So I'm gonna end up with B sine C equal C sine B, right? Now I just set up proportion, right? So I just rewrite B over sine B equals C over sine C, right? Look, they're both similar. Look, when I cross multiply, it's become this one. Alright? So I just prove this guy. Now you can do similarly for the other two and you get this one too. Alright? So we just prove our formulas. Now we just apply it. Right? Okay. So let's go back over here. Now method number one. Right, I draw the altitude right here. Right, this is echo A, echo B, echo C. Opposite to B, this is little b. Opposite to C, this is little c. Alright, now this is echo AM right here. Now, in the triangle, in the right triangle BAM, this is 90 degrees. This is 31, and then this guy must be for 59 by triangle sum theorem, right? So this is angle A, this is angle A1. Now, angle A2 right here, I don't know it. I need to find angle A2, right? So, before I find the angle A2, I need to find AM first, the silent AM. I need to use the trig ratio in the right triangle BAM. Alright, so I have the angle B right here, opposite to angle B, which means AM. And then C right here, this is hypotenuse, right? So sine of angle B equal opposite, which means AM, opposite over hypotenuse. By the way, I need to write the formula right here, sine equal opposite over hypotenuse, cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, and then tangent opposite over adjacent. So keep that in mind. Alright, I show you a trick how to memorize this formula. Please check out the link in the description. Alright, so opposite right here, which means AM, over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equals 7 because it's opposite to the right angle right here. Right, so it should be 7. Now I need to solve for AM. So AM equals 7 multiplied by sine angle B, right? Right, sine angle B equals 31. Okay, so I just put this 31. Alright, bring up the calculator. AM equals 7 times sine 31, so 7 sine 31. The answer should be 3.6, right? This is 3.6. Alright, so this is 3.6. Now, in the right triangle, this is in the right triangle AMC, right? Triangle AMC. I need to find the measure of angle, angle A2 right here. So sine of, before we're gonna do this one, so I need to find the measure of angle A2 right here. So I know that this is A2, and I know that this is given, which means adjacent to A2. And I know this is hypotenuse equal 4, adjacent hypotenuse, so I use this formula right here. Adjacent hypotenuse, I need to use cosine, right? So cosine of angle A2 equal adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent equal 3.6. Hypotenuse equal 4. 3.6 divided by 4 is going to be 0.9. Right? Now, this is 0.9, right? This is 0.9. Now, I need to find the measure of angle A2. I need to take cosine inverse both sides. Cosine inverse of cosine A2 should be the measure of angle A2 equal hit second cosine 0.9. The answer should be 25.8. So I round it, it's roughly 26. So A2 equal 26. A2 equal 26. A1 equal 59. So angle A must be equal 59 plus 26. It should be 85. So I have the angle A2 should be 85. I have the side length right here 7 and the side length right here 4. I can apply the formula right here. Alright, so the area of the triangle ABC equal 1/2 4 times 7 times sine 85, right? Now I use the calculator. 4 times 7 is going to be 28. 28 divided by 2 is going to be 14. 14 times sine 85. So 14 times sine 85. Alright. So the answer should be 13.9. So it's roughly 14. Okay. So method number 1 is going to be 14. Okay. Now we're going to move on to method number 2. Alright. Method number 2, similar than method number 1. We use the formula right here. The formula we already proved before. Right. So this is angle B. This is angle A. This is angle C. So angle B given, we need to find angle C. Then we'll find angle A and we're done. So we apply the formula right here. C opposite to this one. This is little c. B opposite to this one. This is little b. So we have little b over sine angle B equal little c over sine angle C. Little b equal 4. I substitute 4 over sine angle B should be sine 31. Equal little c right here equal 7. Sine of little sine of angle C. Alright, now we just cross multiply, right? So sine C equal sine 7 times sine 31. 7 times sine 31 divided by 4. Okay. Now bring up the calculator. 7 times sine 31 divided by 4. It's going to be 0.9. Alright, this is equal 0.9. But we need to find the measure of angle C, so we need to take the sine inverse both sides. So sine inverse. Alright, so sine inverse of sine C should be the measure of angle C equal sine inverse of 0.9. So just hit second sine inverse 0.9 equal 64. So this angle C should be equal 64. So this is 64. This is 31. If you add them up and you subtract it from 180, right? Use the triangle sum theorem. This should be 80, 85. And then we use the same formula right here, and the answer should be 14. So method 2 got 14. Method 1 got 14. We're done. Alright, if you have another way to calculate the area of this triangle, please leave a comment. And this is a good time to stop. Thank you for watching.